Chairmo Egor Local Government Council, Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia, don talk say she need all the communities for Egor Local Government area to cooperate with her and make them join body to make sure say every community for Egor Local Government area dey clean. Honorable Eghe talk this one for one town hall meeting with some elders, landlords and landladies for Logboshere community for Egor Secretariat. She con talk say the reason for the meeting na to let them know say them need to join body with her and support her monitor and ensure say Logboshere street and the environs dey clean, and say a few weeks ago she lead her council environmental team to remove the massive refuse dump for Logboshere street to keep the street clean. Na why she surprised when she hear say them catch some persons wey still dey throw away dirty for where them already don clear. She con talk say anyone wey dem catch dey throw away dirty anyhow for anywhere for the former dump site go face the law.
We have so many issues in Logboshere and environment, and two of the issues is one is insecurity, and the other one is environmental issue. You are all aware about Logboshere Street, where people turn it to a dump site by the moat, and you are aware that we have come to evacuate that place. And I just felt it is very important for me to speak with everybody around that area, because you see, environmental issues are not done alone by the council. It is everybody's collective effort that we can get good results. We are already cleaning, and I felt it is important for you to know that as we are cleaning, we want you as landlord in that area to sustain the cleanliness of that community. Number one, who are your waste managers? Who are the people that come to your house to carry your waste? Where do you dump your waste? When a waste was being dumped at Logboshere, what did you do over these years? Yesterday morning, we caught somebody in that place who was bringing waste there by 5 o'clock in the morning. And the person was arrested. Immediately they took him to Okoro police station. From Okoro police station to court immediately, and he was given 6 months imprisonment. At the end of the day, after much pleading with the lawyers, they now change it to 1 week community service. So that 1 week community service, he is going to be the one cleaning and watching that Logboshere dump site that they turned to dump site, which is not supposed to be a dump site. People live around there. You all live around there. Do you understand? So when we say we have to protect our people, life and properties, your property that you have, if we are protecting it, by using government policies, and at the same time we should be able to protect it for you not to have any kind of issue in your house, so you can live peacefully in your house. It is when you live peacefully, it is when people are alive that they will come out on election day to vote, isn't it? If people are sick and dead, will they come and vote for anybody? When we are clean, there are so many things that we avoid. When we don't keep waste inside our house, we avoid a lot of sickness. When there's too many waste in your house, it attracts not only cholera but Lassa fever. The local government is now the one in charge of waste managers in each of their local governments. If we give a waste manager a responsibility to do something in a community, and that waste manager is not doing the right thing, we have the right to stop that waste manager and give that place to somebody else. Then your waste in your house, please, we want you to try and bag your waste. One of the reasons why I called you, to beg you. I am not calling anybody to come and fight or to sanction anybody, but I called you here to come and join me. Join me in cleaning Egor local government. Because when we are clean, sickness will be far, far away from us.
Some of the landlords and landladies for Logboshere Street and environs constantly chook mouth on top the waste matter and how they go support the Egor Chairmo.
It is divided into two as regards waste management. Our own side, we have a waste management company that comes to pack it. My own issue with that company is that oftentimes they don't come as a green deal. I personally most often do come. They are supposed to come twice monthly, but most often they don't. Sometimes I have to now call.
They stopped coming, they were no longer taking our waste. So now these cats people that comes most time.
Yeah, but those cat pushers, do you know where they put the waste?
They say they take it to a registered dump site. What they normally do, we'll now set up somebody that will be coming early morning and we stay there from 3 to 5, 6, then in the night. So then due to mobilization and other things, I think some of them are stopped. So that issue of that waste, why it was so piled up like that, was just that people from our street and all adjoining streets, they were the one putting waste on those places.
Now, let me tell you what we do, what we have agreed to do as a body. By failing my responsibility to carry waste, I told the head department, the way you are serving violation notice to the client, you are supposed to serve to me. You know, if there's a punishment for my action, I should be held responsible. Once the people are able to demonstrate with evidence that, look, money was paid, service was not rendered. And I also want to appeal that you don't wait for this long. There are phone numbers there. Some of us have phone numbers of the health department. So once you wait that a month, the waste manager have not come, immediately you start the process of complaining against that waste manager. But first, you must be up and doing when it comes to your payment, because on our own end, some people have complained that they've worked 6-7 months, money was not paid. And so these are some of the issues we have.
Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia for our talk with Tori people contact say, but let's with her as the meeting go well and say them go they continue to do this kind of meeting for different communities so they go fit join body with her to keep Egor clean.
We had a meeting today with Ologbo and Environ. Ologbo is a street off Benin Technical College Road where we evacuated waste 2 weeks ago, a heap of waste. People were even thinking that that place is a dump site, but it was not a dump site. The meeting was very, very successful. Some of the landlords from that area, about 30 of them came, and we are happy. The message is going to go around. So we are going to continue like this. We are going to start having meetings with different communities, you know, so that we all can work together to fight this issue of environmental sanitation. So I want to thank God for everything.
People where they stay the area, can't tell Tori people say.
The way they take care of our local shelter, we are very happy. We praise the chairman of Egor local government.
We are so grateful for the meeting we had with the chairman today, and it was a very decisive meeting. Our proactiveness must be well appreciated. With our Ojon Way and other co-landlords here, the effort she's putting on is a one that we are highly glad about. That they came and they were able to get somebody arrested and passing waste there. But our concern is the gutter that is being passed through our areas there, and we have been promised that it will be covered. And we appreciate that every hand will be on deck so that we will be able to do all this.
It will serve as a lesson to other users of those people that dump waste indiscriminately. You know, the chairman has said that she was going to keep Egor clean and she's keeping to her promises. All these people that is doing this, they are trying to sabotage our effort. Those are the things we are against. If we see more, the same thing we are going to do to them. With this night to serve as an example to them.
The man where the Egor environmental team catch where they throw away dirty for the plate, where they remove dirty for Ologbo, Mark Ogun, contact say the judgment and punishment they give them they fair. He contact say
just because of the paper I dropped, I just dump that they hold me.
Well, where you drop the paper for that?
Bushiri Street.
So with people where you so where drag you from?
There's the local government chairman.
This judgment when they give it today. So what you give to say? Are they fair with you or they take it out on you?
They fair with me.
What is the judgment when they give you?
The head has to maintain that place. for 1 week.
Head of Legal Service, Egor Local Government, and the Assistant Chief Environmental Health Officer and Prosecutor, Egor Local Government, Egor Osazuwa, call young Tori people say
the judgment of the court is fair enough, bordering on 1 week community service. And the Honorable President has directed the prosecution to liaise with someone that would continuously monitor the defendant to make sure he sweeps the environment where he went to dump refuse within 1 week. The chairman of the local government council, Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia, is one personality I so respect. When she say a thing, she really mean it, and she has made arrangement to inaugurate environmental task force in Egor Local Government Council, which when that task force they've started their work, will apprehend defaulters. Whenever they are being caught, they'll be taken to the magistrate or customary court.
make una no forget say as we see am na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Egor Local Government area of Edo State, Balumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.